Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the divine light, Libra, my gymnast of the universe, the perfect balance you added to what I like to say, pardon, is judge the fruits by its roots. And obviously the divine fruit, you look good, you smell good, you taste good, you're rooted in strong roots, therefore you blossom into something beautiful. So whatever you've been doing, continue to water yourself, water your roots, water your spirit. Continue to speak positivity in yourself, have a meditation prayer, a workout life, a study life, everything that you're doing to build your mind, body, and spirit. Continue to do that because your fruits are great and we can't wait to taste the results of everything you've been working on this season. As I work to improve and free myself, I strengthen my foundations. You strengthen yourself, you become stronger, therefore you can maintain bigger blessings. Blessings come with their own weight. The stronger you become, the bigger the blessings that I can give you. We're coming from the studio apartment to the mansion, to the penthouse, to the beachfront mansion. We are going for huge blessings, but make sure you build up the strength so you can maintain it and you can be trusted to hold and sustain it. My intellect is light. My heart is warmth. You lead with love. You are a genius, and my soul is strength, and you're strong. You never give up. I am nurtured by the divine sun, and my fruit bears my inner light. Let your fruit bear the most beautiful and the highest self of yourself, the strongest and most highest version of yourself. Therefore, you can receive the highest versions of blessings, that you can maintain rain, sleet, or snow. I want you to have that dream house, but you also have to put in the work so you can maintain that. Have the work ethic for it. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.